In this demo, we will learn how to create a cross-docking order. Start by opening the app launcher. Now select Warehouse to enter the Warehouse module. Open cross-docking to manage direct inbound to outbound transfers without storage. Hit New Cross-dock to create a new order. Select the inbound purchase order, outbound sales order, supplier, customer, dock, and set the inbound and outbound ETAs. Click Create to save. The new order appears in the list with scheduled status. Switch to the Dock Activity tab to track individual items and their progress. Click Add Line to link an inventory item to the cross-dock order. Enter the inbound quantity, sorted quantity, outbound quantity, and set the line status. Click Add Line to save. Here you can track every dock line in real time. Progress bars show sorted versus inbound quantities, and status badges tell you whether each line is receiving, sorting, sorted, or loaded. Switch to the flow diagram for a visual overview of the entire cross-dock pipeline. See the full cross-dock pipeline at a glance, from inbound receiving to outbound dispatch, with live dock utilization and order counts.